In this tutorial, we will learn how to handle a more advanced way of positioning on columns with raised or elevated footings. Before we start, we need to understand that when placing the model on a corner of an object that is standing on an elevated footing, the position will always be horizontally offset towards the actual position as illustrated in this image. We need to keep this in mind when positioning on objects standing on a footing or a base. Start by placing the printed QR code, which will be used later to save the position. In the floor plan, zoom on the column that you are standing in front of. Pick the corner you wish to align to and pick an alignment direction. The blue arrow will indicate the direction of the alignment. Let your device detect the floor until a purple mesh appears and wait for it to stabilize. Point the red pin, which is always at the center of the screen, to the edge of the column you selected before and tap anywhere on the screen to place it. Place the blue arrow along the previously selected edge of the column. Choose the elevation of the floor you are standing on or manually adjust it. Click on the check mark to finalize the placement. Look up to the joint of the column and the beams. Enter the manual positioning mode. Tap on the edge of the column and drag the green and red axes until the edges align. Then pick the corner of the column and point the camera at faraway objects with prominent features. Slide along the blue bar at the bottom of the screen until those distant objects match. Exit the manual adjustment mode. Finally, open the hamburger menu to register the QR code. Point towards it, and click on the cloud to register the alignment. This model can now be placed directly using the QR code.